It's I think it's only 7:15, and we're here at the mast bar overlooking Santorini. That's Santorini.
Okay, we started it.
Okay, overlooking Santorini in the solstice deck. Yeah, that's the cruise ship, and we are here. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, this is the second day of the cruise. We are here at Santorini docking, and I'll show you. That is Santorini. I don't really need to go there. It's not worth it to go there. It's so high. I mean, I don't have a patience to climb the mountain. But anyway, that's Santorini. Hey, welcome to Santorini. You guys should be here next time. Come with us next time in Greece. I'm gonna show you around. There's a pool area, indoor pool area. Anyway, I need to go back to my room. Wait. I'm going back to my room and edit some videos. Anyway, this is nice. Observation lounge. This is the observation lounge. We are here in the observation lounge. It's only 7:30 a.m. It's too early, and of course nobody's here yet because it's too early. People are still sleeping, having breakfast. I'm just gonna walk around here, see how it looks. Nice here. Nice here, folks. Okay, we are here in the balcony on the 6th level. This is the view in our room. Santorini, folks. I don't know why would somebody live there. I don't know why would somebody live there on top of the mountain. I don't understand. Why would somebody live there? And there's an erosion, like a soil erosion here on the side, like a tiny landslide. Yeah. This is the view of our deck. From our deck, from our room. From our room deck. Santorini. Santorini mountain from Greece. I'm going for lunch. So 1 p.m. I'll show you again the remnants of the volcanic ash. The volcanic ash. You know the layers of volcanic movements there.
What, the 6-7?
So maybe 100 years ago, there was a big volcanic eruption, and the top, you see the top layer, those are houses burnt by volcanic lava. So you can see the lava layers. At least I counted about 13 volcanic major volcanic eruptions on this mountain alone. This is the Santorini mountain. I'll show you the houses. See the houses there? I don't want to go there today because it's not worth it. You need to ride the boat to cross. You need to ride the yacht to a dock there. There's a docking area here, right there on the side. You need a yacht to cross, and time is limited. And
Who's singing this song? Oh wait, it's CG5, just kidding. Rude.
Greek boat.
That makes sense. What? What do you mean? What do you mean too bad? He doesn't deserve that just because he made bad music. That's actually like not cool. Who's singing this song? I'm listening to this Vocaloid that I had for some reason, and I don't know which one is singing it because it doesn't have it in the title.
More decoration there, and
Yeah.
then move the passage a little bit on the right.
Thank you very much.
You can go straight.
Okay.
Our assistant authority is there to check it.
Thank you.
Just ladies.
Thank you. There's blue, there's testing wheel. Nice. Thank you. Also here. Thank you. Salute. Merci beaucoup. Oh. Merci beaucoup.
Yeah, I need to mention actually. I know it does for me. It doesn't much spicy, but it's
Any wine, beer,
Later on.
we have a glycerin breasting,
Yeah.
Santa
Yeah.
Italian sourdough.
Nice. Thank you.
I Rebecca until Madam coming. I'll
Yeah.
open the room.
Yeah, she's coming. Nice basil and bread. Together we cry.
I'm not wearing crown. At all.
I'm wearing slippers yesterday.
Yeah.
I wear dress.
There's the casino boy. Bet on the red. Bet on the red.